Good morning friends. Today start new lesson over skeletal system and the skin. Can you recall which organ system do you see in the figure alongside? That means figure 1, figure 2 and figure 3. Three type of the figures are observed firstly 1, 2 and 3. In this first figure clearly indicates of the digestion, that means digestive system present in the first figure. Second, in the observe the all type of the muscles are the present in this figure, means the muscular system. Another only skeletals are the present, that means skeletal system, that means muscular digestive system, muscular system and skeletal system. That means another is the in the previous classes we have learned about some organ, there are the function and their location in our body. With the help of that the completed following table, that means which part are the present in your body, they totally you are explain and the teach and learn in the previous standard. That means first, name of the organ, function of the organ and body cavity. Heart function of the organ, heart means and their function of the organ, function means their workings, their working your body. heart का आपके बॉडी में क्या फंक्शन है, क्या वर्किंग है, एंड बॉडी कैविटी उनकी प्लेस किधर है आपके बॉडी में. फर्स्ट फंक्शन ऑफ द ऑर्गन, फंक्शन ऑफ द ऑर्गन मीन द हार्ट का क्या वर्क है, ब्लड सर्कुलेशन एंड देर प्रेजेंट इन योर बॉडी thoracic cavity. Another is a lung means respiration means inlet of the oxygen, outlet of the CO2, that means respiration, there are the present in the thoracic cavity. Another is a intestine means digestion of the foods, they are present in the abdominal cavity. Another brain present in the brain, their function is the control and coordination over body, they present in the cranial cavity. Another, for the various organ are the shape within the body cavity. Your various type of the organ the present in your body, they totally shape in the bone. The human skeleton is the protect of the different type of the organ they present in your body, because the organ is a very sensitive. Another, some when we fall while playing or have a accident, a bone is our arm or leg may get broken, this is called as a fractures of the bone. Fracture of the bone means some type on the spot you are playing and playing time your arm or leg bones are the broken, that means this called as a fraction. In this time most of the time there are the unbearable pains are and part with the broken bone is swollen immediately, that means a fraction is the bone causes several and unbearable pains and the part with the broken swells immediately. That means observe of these figures, that means the part of the figure, that means in this part are the broken, that means swelling of this part, and most of that means the unbearable pains are the observed. First, can you tell your friends meet with the accident and a bone in his leg is fractured, how will you help after the accident, prevent any movement of the fracture part embolize in and get immediately medical help. After going to the hospital, an x-ray image is the taken of the part of which is the swallow, and x-ray were discovered by the Williams Conrad Röntgen. That means first there are the after the accident immediately क्या करना चाहिए, आपके फ्रेंड को आप हॉस्पिटल ले जाना है. x-ray image taken and part which parts are the broken, there are the clearly indicate. Then next this x-ray are discovered the William Conrad Röntgen, there are the discovery of the x-ray. Another, fractures of the bone means जब हम एक्सरे निकालते हैं तो विच पार्ट आर द ब्रोकन, देयर आर द इजीली इंडिकेट होता है. अनदर इज द प्लास्टर ऑफ दिस बोन. प्लास्टर हम प्लास्टर क्यों करते हैं, क्योंकि जो पार्ट ब्रोकन हुआ है वो क्या है इमीडिएटली पैकअप होता है, दैट मीन जॉइंट हो जाता है. देन एक्सरे इमेज शो वेदर अ बोन इज ब्रोकन एंड आल्सो इज द एग्जैक्ट स्पॉट वेयर इट्स ब्रोकन, दिस हेल्प इन द प्रोवाइडिंग इन द प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट. एक्सरे इमेज हम क्यों निकालते हैं, क्योंकि जो पार्ट ब्रोकन हुआ है उस पार्ट पर solvents are the present, or proper treatment and proper part, which part are the broken, there are the clearly indicate. Then an x-ray image, एक्सरे इमेज हम जब निकालते हैं तो विच पार्ट आर द ब्रोकन एग्जैक्टली स्पॉट हमारे अंडरस्टैंडिंग होता है, हमें समझ में आता है. नेक्स्ट, टाइप ऑफ द बोन्स. Different type of the bones. Bone of the over body are classified into four types. First is the flat bones, then another is the small bones, next is the irregular bones, and next is the long bones. Small or flat bones. Flat bones mean the flat body like structure of this bone. Small bone, different type of very small bones are the present your body. Irregular bones means उनका जो शेप एंड साइज रहती है वो डिफरेंट टाइप का रहता है, उसे क्या बोलते हैं हम, इनरेगुलर बोन्स. एंड लॉन्ग बोन्स, there are the present in the leg, there are the present in the legs. Okay, next, let's identify our bones. Place your hand and the center of your chest and your friends are back. Another, what is name of the hard part you feel on the placing your hand on your chest? Do you feel some hard bump at the back? What are they called? And what difference do you notice between the bones of the back and those of the chest? That means like first to second, third and fourth different type of the bones are the present in your body. That means the flat bone, small bone, irregular bones and long bone. Which type of the bone present in your body, which parts, their place are clearly indicated in. First is the human skeletal system. What is mean by human skeletal system? Our body present of the all the bones are the systematically. They all the bones in our body are not of the same shape. हमारे बॉडी में जो सब बोन है उनका शेप एंड साइज सेम है क्या? नो, डिफरेंस है. एवरी बोन्स इज द डिफरेंस. ऑल द बोन्स टुगेदर फॉर्म फ्रेमवर्क इन द स्केलेटल, और दिस स्केलेटल गिव द शेप टू द बॉडी. ये डिफरेंस टाइप के बोन है, उनके अरेंजमेंट स्पेसिफिक टाइप से इससे हमारे बॉडी को डिफरेंट टाइप का शेप आता है. ऑल द बोन्स ऑफ द बॉडी अलॉन्ग विथ cartilage together from the skeletal system. Bone are hard, they are not flexible. Bones are composed of two main constituents. Bone cells are biotic while calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, minerals and salt are the abiotic constituent of bone. Calcium imparts strength to the bone. हमारे जो bones है वो hard रहता है. There are not flexibles and the bones are composed abiotic factor, that means constitute different type. Calcium carbonate, calcium phosphate, mineral, salt are the abiotic constituent of the. These calciums are the impart strength of this bone. Then the system which give definite shape to the body, provide support and protect the delicate organ inside body. It is called as skeletal system. Skeletal system means the system which is are the definite shape over body. Skeleton से हमारे body को definite shape आता है. Provide the support and protect in the delicate organ. Delicate organ means internal organ को protect करता है. Protect and inside the body it is called as the skeletal system. Now a different type of the skeletal systems are the present in the diagram. There are the different type of the animal. First animal, second animal, third animal and fourth animal. The different type of animal, their skeletal system are the different because all the bone, their shape and size are the difference. Another is a take the measuring the tape and measure the length of the bones of your arm and leg. Do you same for your friend, sister and brother? Record the measure in this table below and compare them. That means your friend के, your sister के, your brother के and your all types. That means your arm and leg are same or not same? There are the not same, there are the difference because length and shape and size of are the difference. Then next is the observe the diagrams. That means part of the human skeletal system. Human skeletal system: skull, rib cage, arm, spine and leg. That means first the human skeletal system can be divided into the two parts. ह्यूमन स्केलेटल सिस्टम में वो कितने पार्ट में डिवाइडेड हो गए? टू पार्ट्स. फर्स्ट इज द एक्सियल स्केलेटल एंड अनदर इज द एपेंडिकुलर स्केलेटल. द एक्सियल skeleton consists of skull and spine at the rib cage. These are the situated symmetrical along the central vertical axis of the body. Okay, that means very simple. That means the two parts are the division of the human skeletal system. That means first part is the axial skeleton, another is the appendicular skeleton. That means the dotted line are passed through in this part. That means there are the human body are divided into two parts. That means the human skeletal, the one line, that means dotted line, start from the skull to in this point. That means the rib cage, another is the skull, and next is the spine, is the axial skeleton. And these dotted lines above all parts, that means arm leg are the appendicular skeletals. Very simple. The axial skeletal consists of the skull, the spine, and the rib cage. They are situated symmetrical along the center and vertical axis of the body. The appendicular skeleton is made up of the bones of the upper and lower limbs, arm and leg, or either sides of the central axis. That means there are the skull, rib cage, and spines are the axial skeletons, and appendicular skeletal means arm and legs are the appendicular skeletals. Okay, now next, and our body grow in the size and length of the bone, increasing such a change in size and length can be seen in the children according to the age. However, the body continue to grow only up to certain limit. The bones of the taller peoples are longer. That means our body organ grow in the size and length of our bone increases. आपकी जो बॉडी उसमें जो बोन्स है उनकी साइज एंड शेप जब इंक्रीज होता है तो आवर बॉडी, हमारी जो बॉडी उनकी क्या होती है, ग्रोथ होती है. सच अ चेंजेस एज अ साइज एंड लेंथ कैन बी सीन चिल्ड्रंस अकॉर्डिंग टू द एज. That means children's according to the age. However, the body continues to grow only up to the certain limit. Specific limit तक हमारे बॉडी की ग्रोथ होती है, ग्रोज होती है. Then the bones of the taller people are longer. people से taller people के जो bones है वो कैसे होते, longer होते. Then next is the axial skeleton. Axial skeleton. What is by axial skeleton means the skull. The skull is formed by the bones of the head and face. The bones of the skull are flat and strong. There are altogether 22 bones in the skull. It is the head and 14 in the face. Total how many bones? 22. 8 in the skulls and another 14 in the face. Except for the lower jaw, none of the bone of the skull can be moved. Which organs our body does the skull protect? Which organs our body does the skulls are the protects? Okay, next rib cage. Feel the left and right side over chest. Feel the right side and left side your chest. Then how many bones can you feel altogether on the two sides? Firstly, check in your rib cage. Check in the center. How many bones do you feel? The cage-like structure in the chest, it is called as a rib cage. Rib cage means the structure is a cage-like. It is known as a rib cage. Then the chest, there is a one vertical flat bones called the sternums. 12 pairs of the flat bones called as rib cage joined to its sideway. This total 25 bones form the rib cage. It is joined to the spine at the back. Total how many? There are the 25 bones from the rib cage. It is joined together spines at the back.